Sa criminal case for plunder, pag tumuloy yan, meron ring penalty ng permanent disqualification to run for public office. Meron bang ganon sa impeachment? Ang sagot ay oo. Because apart from removal from her, if she is convicted, by 2/3 vote of the Senate, she will be removed as sitting Vice President. But may second penalty. She cannot perpetual disqualification. So, disqualified siya sa 2028. Ang tanong, magre-resign yan. Kasi sa nakita niyang ebidensya, napakalakas, magre-resign yan. Matutuloy pa ba ang impeachment case na yan? Ang sagot po ay oo. The impeachment case will continue, the trial will continue in the Senate because there is a second penalty apart from removal from public office or if she is sitting because she's a sitting vice president, ang second penalty dyan, permanent disqualification. So mag-resign man siya, itutuloy po natin ito. Gagawin, yung